Next.
Bless me, Father, for I have sinned.
The Lord bless you. Go ahead and confess your sins.
Father, I have been an Arsenal fan for 20 years now. And throughout all these years, I have been deceiving other people to support Arsenal. With the belief that Arsenal is going to win the Champions League and win every domestic league in England. But for these past 20 years, nothing to show for it. And all this while, I've been making other people to support Arsenal. Just last year, my grandfather of 120 years, I persuaded him to become an Arsenal fan, and he agreed and become an Arsenal fan with the hope of Arsenal winning the Europa League against Chelsea. But after the loss to Chelsea of 4-1, my grandfather died of a heart attack. And since after his death, his ghost has been tormenting me, telling me I caused his premature death. That I should go and confess my sin.
Okay, hold on. Your grandfather died at 120.
Yes, Father.
And his ghost say he's premature death.
Yes, Father.
Is the ghost normal? No, see now. How can among all the things in this world, the one you see to support is the one that never works? Okay, you're an Arsenal fan.
Yes, Father.
You see your life now. Eh? Do you know how many people are in coma just for supporting Arsenal? Do you know? Yeah, supporting Arsenal. Which Arsenal? Is that one a club? I said when you were calling Arsenal. I didn't know it was football club. I thought it was one all this contribution. Osusu. You know all this meeting.
Yes, Father.
Ndi Nemama, all these people. I thought this is their meeting. I didn't know it's football club. I've never heard them win anything. Their name is not on any trophy. Okay, let me ask you. Do you have cup in your house? Drinking cup?
Yes, Father. The one I have in the kitchen. But each time I go to the kitchen to use it to drink water, it's very difficult for me to lift.
You can't lift it. You know that your club, Arsenal, they don't even have drinking cup. The only cup Arsenal has won is the one they use to measure Gary. Jesus! Yes. You're expecting Arsenal to win cup. Do you even know that the room that Arsenal used to keep their trophy, they've not opened that room since 1865. Yes. Your grandfather died at 120 years. Do you know that before your grandfather was born, Arsenal was already losing? Your grandfather. You're kidding now. You know it would have been better to use that man to do ritual. Than to tell him to support Arsenal. Now he died for nothing. He didn't even die a hero. How do you tell your grandfather to support Arsenal? Where is Enyimba? Where is Rangers? Warri Wolves? What's this other one again? Those boys in Kwale. Where do you see those ones? So you don't see any other thing to support. It's Arsenal. Arsenal that even their players don't even support them. My brother, do you know that I used our former parish house to bet that Arsenal will win? Jesus! And they lost. That's how we came to the bush to start another parish. Hey! You don't know? My brother, you don't bet anything with Arsenal. Arsenal. You cannot even bet that you will make it. You are betting with Arsenal, believing Arsenal. My brother, you know that sometimes if you open bet sites, Arsenal club is not registered in the site because nobody is playing them. Unless you want to bet that they will lose, you now have a 50 odds.
Will you keep quiet?
So what do you now want to do now?
Yes, Father, that's why I've come here to surrender everything. I don't want to.
There's nothing to surrender.
I came here to I want to burn everything. I don't longer.
Okay, you came with the
yes,
this thing. Because of this thing you are burning. Because it's Arsenal jersey and Arsenal muffler with Arsenal phone. Do you know I can't even contribute kerosene to burn it? There's nothing there anybody can do. There's nothing there. I'll just allow your grandfather to torment you. Because you can kill him now. This Arsenal phone, how much did you buy it?
It's 170, Father.
170,000?
Yes, Father.
Bring it. Does it have good camera?
Yes, Father.
Does the battery last? It used to browse. Have you subscribed it?
I have 1 year subscription there, Father.
1 year?
Yes, Father. But I want to burn everything. I know.
Shut up, my friend. Shut up. You want to burn what? Want to burn what?
But I'm even ready to surrender this one.
Don't surrender anything. You will leave this phone and burn the rest.
Hey!
Yes, you will leave it. You cannot just burn everything. How would you just come and say you want to burn everything? Is everything you burn?
I don't want anything to attach.
You don't want anything. You want to burn everything.
Yeah, everything, yes.
Burn everything.
Yes, Father.
Well done. Clap for yourself. Burna boy. Oluwa Burna. Be burning now. No, burn now. Burning bush. You will leave this phone. Let's see if you can be using it for the parish customer care. Get out. I say get out. Get out. Before you burn me.